I am Mariano Vázquez. I am CTO, CSO, and co-founder of ELEM Biotech. This company is a spin-off company of Barcelona Supercomputing Center, a public research center in Barcelona. In the company, what we do, we call ourselves the Virtual Humans Factory. So what we do are mathematical models, then translated to code, to program, of human beings to reproduce diseases, therapies, and the outcome of these therapies in humans. In my company, we develop these virtual humans and in many applications. Especially, we are very focused on cardiovascular diseases. And one of the things that we announce here in the conference is that there is a very large German company, pharmaceutical German company, that it is highly committed to work with us on cardiac safety. Cardiac safety means that every time that one person take a pill, it can have some arrhythmias, or it can unleash some problems in the heart, especially related to arrhythmias. And with our tool, we can study in different kind of patients what's going to be the result of taking that pill. This is a collaboration that now it's consolidated, and the announcement was of this consolidation. We started with them working on purely research basis, let's say. But now what we are announcing is that they are using actively our platform. In this case, it's going to be with 5 different compounds of them, secret compounds. We don't know which they are. And this is going to be a long-term collaboration because they are starting with 5 compounds, but this is the launch pad of more and more compounds that they can test using our platform. The conference is great. It is really, for us, it's being a very nice and important event. We are meeting plenty of pharmaceutical companies, and also it is really a fantastic forum to know what's the future of the pharmaceutical industry, and finally, what's the future for us, which are patients. So it is really very nice conference, very nice event.